Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be using this flamingo nail tip stand I got from Shane. I think that's how you say it. Today I'll be doing this step by step. I will leave the link in the description box below to her channel. I meant Instagram. So today I'll be using Secret Garden series from SPD London. I'm just trying to get the tip to stick here. It was a bit awkward, to be honest. I don't think I'll be using it that often, but I think it's cute. So here I'm going in with just a blue glitter gel polish. I'm just doing the top bit first. Doing it nice and thin so the nail doesn't end up too bulky, because I do 3 coats of this in total. I used number 10, 11 and 12 from the Secret Garden series. I think I've already said that, but hey ho. So now I'm going in with this lovely green glitter colour, just butting it up to that blue. I have not cured this yet because I'm going to do an ombre. 3-way ombre. This is my first ever try at doing it. I've left everything in. I do need to improve, but practice makes perfect, doesn't it? So I'll just let you watch this a little bit. I've left this in real time, so it's not sped up or anything, so you can see how I'm doing it properly. Okay, so now I'm going to get my ombre brush. As you can see, it's got like a thick part and then thinner. It does really help you to ombre. And then I'm just slowly feathering it over, not going in too much, just like the top layer of it. Then wipe it on a lint-free pad. And then do it again with the other 2 colours. And once you're happy with that, pop it in for a full cure. Now I'm going to go in with my second coat, so I'll just let you watch this little bit. Once you're finished with the blue, or your chosen colour, go in with your ombre brush again, lightly feather it, and once you're happy, wipe your brush and do it again, and then pop it in for a full cure. Now I'm going in with my third coat. I just wanted to build up the colour. You don't need to do 3 coats if you don't want to. I left it all in just so you could see what I'd done the whole way through. If I was to do it again, I would get a lint-free pad and like slightly touch the side of the nail so it takes some of the gel polish off. I learnt this from Natalie Mugridge. Great tip, especially when you're doing your marbles. So again, you go in with your ombre brush, and then once you're happy, pop it in for a full cure. Now I'm going in with some matte top coat by Nail Nails. I prefer to do art on a matte top coat. I'm not sure why. I think it just, the brush doesn't glide too much. See where it's bulky at the side of the nail? So that next time I will be doing it with the lint-free pad on each side. So now I'm going in with my Goddess gel paints with black. And my Natalie Mugridge detailer brush from Nail Sugar. Love this brush, it's perfect. You can do so much with it, even though it's only really thin, you can do so much. I love it. Okay, so I've just popped up the picture again, just to remind you of what I will be following. So I'll be doing each step, and I do flash cure in between once I'm happy with it. I'm still learning with straight lines, but they are getting easier. So as I'm doing it, I just keep checking the photo, make sure I'm doing it right. I haven't sped this bit up at all, just so you can see what I'm doing properly. And maybe if you want to follow along, then that's fine. I do post these in the Nail Sugar group, so if you'd like to join there, I'll leave the link in the description box below. So I'll just let you watch this bit, and I'll be back. Just popping that picture back up so you can see what design I'm doing. I did think that it didn't work so well on this shaped nail, because obviously the other one was like an oval shape and this is more of a stiletto. But you can just adjust your lines to fit the nail. I am not great at straight lines, but practice makes perfect. I did enjoy it, I really did, and I liked the outcome of it. And I just love learning new things. I was just checking the design here and looking at the picture which I had on my iPad close by, and then made sure I'd done the next step right. I got a little bit confused because I turned my nail and then I didn't know which way the lines were going. As you can see, I'm just like, where do I put this one? And that is the finished design. If I was going to do it again, I would get some base coat and I would do a layer of that just to fill in the little gaps, because obviously the black gel paint will be raised. So yeah, that's what I'd do. Pop that in for a cure and then I'd go over again with the top coat and then also pop that into for a cure. And there's the finished nail. I'm actually quite proud of this nail, to be honest, considering I haven't done much straight lines. So thank you very much for watching. Here are some snapshots of the finished nail. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment down below if you want to see more videos. Bye!